In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 6x9 colored interior gratitude journal. When you're in Canva, you can choose the right dimensions for your design, you can choose a background, and you can also add your elements and choose the right fonts. Canva's templates provide a shortcut to good design, and they're fully customizable. You can change the colors, the images that you like, and it has thousands of templates for every design you need. Consider what you'd like to add in your design and where it might look great. So watch the full video to see for yourself how to create a gratitude journal. Click create a design in the search box, search for journal. Let's make use of this pink interior. We'll do the 6x9 and we'll show the margins so a border or broken lines will appear on the design pages. These fonts go well together and just use this. Click add text and duplicate. Then type your desired text, like for example, today I'm grateful for the sunshine, for my family, and for the wonder. Adjust text spacing here. Click on an element to add it to your design. Here's the color code for the pink interior. And don't forget to download and save your design. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.